If you have a Squarespace website and you're walking through my pre-launch checklist, welcome back. And if you don't have a copy of the checklist yet, I'll drop a link below in the description so you can grab it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set page-specific SEO descriptions. Hi, I'm here in my Sway template for service providers. If you're looking to jumpstart your own website, check out my Squarespace template shop. I'll drop a link below. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add page-specific SEO descriptions. This helps you ensure that Google understands the most important part of your page content. So for example, let's take a look at the About page on Sway. So here we have Erica, and on this page, we're telling the world who she is, what she does, and we want to encourage Google to show a particular snippet of text when it serves up this page. Now, will Google always do what we tell it? No, but we can definitely encourage Google to share a particular snippet that we think would get people to click through, and we can use certain keywords so that Google understands what the most important text on the page is. So to set these page level SEO descriptions, we'll hop into Pages, and then for every page on your website other than Home, now Home doesn't have an SEO description because it uses the entire website SEO description. We'll talk about that in another video. But for all the other pages you have the opportunity to set your SEO specifically. So let's click the cog icon to get into page settings for About, and then you'll see we have an SEO option here. When I click on that, you have the opportunity to retitle the page. So it's currently pulling our page title. So if we go to General, our page title is About, and here you'll see it's pulling About for the SEO title. And then we have our website title, which just for this template purposes is just Sway, but you would set your site title. There's another video on that, and it will get pulled in here. Now, if you want to change the SEO title, you absolutely can do that as well. So if you wanted to change it here, you could say About Erica Swansea, and then we just have a little bit more context that we're showing Google. We're letting Google know that Erica's name is important here. All right, and now we have the opportunity to write an SEO description. And there's a little snippet here underneath that says search results typically show your SEO title and description. I beg to differ. I don't think it's typical. I think sometimes Google just does what Google wants, but the description we are encouraging Google to show. So it says here, depending on the search engine, descriptions displayed can be 50 to 300 characters long. So how do we count our characters? I'm glad you asked. So I'm going to hop over to wordcounter.net. I'll drop a link in the description below. And here is where I can start typing and it will count my characters for me. My advice is to put the most important keywords first in this description, because that way if it's truncated, the most important words will still show up. So here we can say Erica Swansea, and those are my keywords for this because I think people might be Googling Erica and I want this About page to show up. Is a creator, traveler, and blogger sharing her tips and tricks for traveling the world while working as a creative entrepreneur. So when you have this sentence, ask yourself, does it have my keywords? And is it compelling so that if it shows up, someone will click through? I'm going to say we've nailed it for Erica, so let me just paste that in here. And you can see that now our search results preview looks like this. So when Google serves up the About page, we want Google to say About Erica Swansea, and Erica is a creator, traveler, and blogger sharing her tips and tricks for traveling the world while working as a creative entrepreneur. So should you do this for every page? That is a great question. And if you think that your content on that page will remain the same and you have keywords in mind that you want to target, absolutely do this. Let Google know what's the most important part of that page and what you want to encourage Google to show when it shows that page in search results. Now, sometimes I don't do this for clients. So if I hand off a website and the client has said, I'm going to be reworking my content, I do not fill this out because the content might be a mismatch. And I want Google to pull what it thinks is the most important content from that rewritten content on the page. So if I know that the client is going to be rewriting the page content, then I won't add this description unless I'm fairly certain that I can nail exactly what the content is and will be about. So those are the times that I would say don't worry about the SEO description. If you're not sure what that final content is yet, you can just let Google pull what it thinks is most important. But if your content is nailed down, if you have keywords that you're focused on, then absolutely drop them in here. And if you would like more tips on SEO for Squarespace, in the description below, I will also drop a couple of my favorite resources there for you to check out. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up as it helps other people discover my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.